Hi Crypto Kings and Queens, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. In today's episode, I will show you what is happening on BTC and Ethereum this week. If you're following me on my Twitter, you knew that a couple of hours ago I was talking about the fake out or a breakout. When we're going into the chart, this is a beginning of a fake out, but I will show you in detail on what the market is doing at the moment. We are retesting some Fibonacci levels where the market can drop down from, but this is where it comes to, will this be a valid breakout or do we have another fake out which can take us back up to some higher targets? And if you are someone that wants to know more about break of structure, which means that when the market is in a uptrend and reverse to a downtrend, how do we spot these breaks and from a downtrend to a uptrend? In this video, I show you exactly on how to do this. Don't forget, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you if this will be another fake out that we'll have to the upside or if this is going to be a valid breakout to the downside once again. If you're also someone that wants to trade cryptocurrencies, you can at the moment receive a bonus on the platform that I'm also trading on, which is on Bybit. You can receive a bonus up to $30,030 right now by using my link. When you're coming into the chart, this is how it looks. Now you can see that I am inside a trade on BNB at the moment. I took this trade when I was doing my live stream earlier today. I do have my take profit at 290. Now we will see if this is going to be a fake out, because if this is going to be a fake out, we will see more momentum to the upside. If it's just a breakout, we will see the market continue down, but I am in profit already. If you want to trade cryptocurrencies with low fees and zero fees when it comes to the spot pairs, now this is the perfect platform for you to use. This is of course also how you're supporting my channel, so claim the best bonus available. You have it linked in the corner. So we're starting off with looking at my Twitter, and if you're not following me on my Twitter account, make sure to do that so you know my daily updates. So today I did post about Ethereum, about that next weekly candlestick on Ethereum will tell us if it will be a fake out or breakout from the support. In the top corner, you can see how a typical fake out looks, keeping close eye on not to get faked out. So this was a couple of hours ago. This was 7 hours ago from when I'm recording this video. And when we're going to the weekly chart on Ethereum now, you can see how we are above the support once again and breaking down everything to the lower time frames. If you were on my live stream today, you knew about this level at 1,506 already, because this was the Fibonacci level that we did expect the market to push up to and retest. Now this can definitely be a beginning of a fake out, so we just might see the market close inside, have a retest of this support once again and continue to the upside. But if this will only be a retest of the Fibonacci level, we will see on the lower time frames how the market will start to reverse down. Now we do have a pretty strong candlestick that closed inside of the sideways market once again, so it will be on the lower time frames now that we'll see if this is a fake out or not. So we're just taking another Fibonacci from the last higher low back up to the higher high, because we are technically now in a uptrend. So what we are trying to calculate is where the potential higher low level can be, and based on this Fibonacci we have it at between $1,512 and $1,500. Now if this is a fake out, you'll see how the market is retesting this level and continues up. If it's a fake out to the upside, we see that Ethereum is breaking below the 61.8%, create another leg inside of the Fibonacci once again, then we just might see the beginning for the drop at that point. But at the moment what we're seeing is that the market is retesting the daily Fibonacci, and this can be where the market then slowly instead of give you another drop based on what's happening tomorrow or in the beginning of the week. But we can also see, of course, that the market is retesting this level from above and continues up. So we are looking at a potential fake out. Then we're going to look at some higher targets. Remember that overall we have been going in a sideways market, and if we're pulling back up once again, then we just might reach 1,690, 1,700, because this is the resistance. So if we're continuing with the sideways market, these are the levels that we're looking at. The resistance at 1,690 and the support at 1,515. When we're looking at BTC, we can see that we do have a lot of volatility to the downside, and if we're going directly to the lower time frames, this is where we expected expected the market to pull back up to. We have the Fibonacci levels on BTC between 21,770 and 22,305. So if the market does continue up a little bit more to retest, these are the levels that we're looking at, and then a potential continuation of a drop. If this is another fake out, then we will see how the market is breaking above the 61.8% and most likely create a higher low inside of these two yellow lines that you can see, and that can be the beginning for the market to continue to the upside. You also see the box that we have right here between 21,120 and 21,490. You can clearly see that we are respecting this level. Go down to the lower time frames. You can see how perfectly the market did retest this fib. This is the reason why I always use the Fibonacci, because they are so accurate, these levels. But we have to wait and see now if this is going to be where we see BTC drop down, give us a potential retest from below, continues down, or if we will see the market have a little bit more momentum to the upside, retest the 61.8% and the 50%, either see the market reverse down from here, or we create it as another higher low to continue up, which means, as I said once again, that this is at that time we will see another fake out. But looking overall on the weekly chart, we do have a lot of volatility to the downside, so I would not be surprised if we continue to see the market drop this week. But we just have to wait and see how the market is behaving around these levels, and if we see the market giving us a fake out, then the market will use the levels that I showed you as either the lower high levels or as a higher low level. So if you are someone that wants to learn more about how to spot break of structure, which means that in a uptrend you want to know how the market looks when the market is reversing to a downtrend, or you want to understand how the market is looking when the market is breaking a downtrend to a uptrend, this is how we're able to trade the market, and this is where I show you in this video exactly on how you can spot these break of structure, which is really good because at that point you know when to go short in the market and also go long in the market. This works on every chart, whether that is crypto, index, or forex. If you're looking at gold, or if you're looking at oil, for example, it works on every chart. Thank you everyone for looking at this video together with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time, which is tomorrow. So we see each other soon. So I hope everyone is having a fantastic day or night wherever you are. Have a good day. Bye.